Papa Jet 823 is with you on a right downwind for a 5-mile final, runway 23.
Papa Jet 823, roger, make the right turn back towards the airport. At least one departure ahead, Challenger Jet, runway 23, clear to land, wind 22012, gust 16.
All right, Challenger Jet departing, we're turning back towards the airport and clear to land, runway 23, Papa Jet 823.
Jet 574, runway 23, turn right heading 270, clear for takeoff, traffic 3-mile final, Challenger Jet.
Question 574. Okay, Challenger, Papa Jet 823, lost both engines, emergency. I'm making an emergency landing.
Rivers, got the emergency, clear to land, runway 23, is that Papa Jet 823?
We're clear to land, but we're not going to make the runway. We've lost both engines.
Jet 574 to hold short. Tower Shadow 5, where they at? Shadow 5, they're 2 northwest right over I-75. Papa Jet 823.
Everybody stand by. There's an alert 3 in progress. Everybody stand by.
Tower Shadow 5, rescue helicopter, request to go to the scene. Shadow 5, proceed direct as requested.